Hey everyone, John Xiao, KevinJohnXiao.com, and I'm here at a restaurant called, and I'm sorry if I butchered the name, but I'm going to assume it's called Restaurant Nakorn, you think?
Nakorn.
Nakorn. This is a Thai restaurant, and as you know, right now, lately I've been a bit of a Thai restaurant kick. You know, last time we went to Bangkok Avenue, and so an Asian Thai restaurant. So we are continuing our search for the best Thai restaurant in Orange County. And I read good things about this restaurant. Apparently, they claim to have the best crying tiger, and that's barbecue beef. So if you're looking for barbecue beef, I was told you need to go to Restaurant Nakorn. So that's why we're here. I'm here with John, and so yeah, this is right here. The barbecue beef, also known as the crying tiger. So they do have some lunch special, but unfortunately, it does not include barbecue beef. And I'm here to try the barbecue beef. So I think what we're going to do is we should try this, John. How about this? We order family style. Okay. Family style. So we're going to order a barbecue beef dish. Maybe to try the barbecue chicken too, and then try the tom yum soup. So 3 family style dish, and then we'll just have rice. That sounds great. Yeah?
Sounds good.
All right, that sounds good to me. Like, you look at the soup
Kai?
here. I think we should try the tom yum soup.
Tom yum?
But they have a bowl and a pot, so we'll see how, just only needs for 2 people, so. And then we can go with the...
What, Tom yum kung or Tom yum guy?
I think just tom yum soup. And then we can go order the barbecue chicken. And then for chicken, we can have half or whole. We go for half.
Okay.
And then we go for barbecue beef.
Sounds good.
And
a bowl of rice.
And white rice.
Well, does it come with rice?
We'll ask them. If it comes with rice, then great. If it doesn't, then we just order some white rice.
Right. And I think this is a pot.
That's the pot. Yeah, the pot. So we'll see. We could order a regular size instead of the pot. The pot is kind of cool because it comes flaming, right? Mm-hmm. The pot comes on fire. These fire go out of that, yeah.
They keep it extra warm.
Cool. For 2 people, was it a bowl or a pot, do you think? For 2 people?
Enough.
Bowl is enough? Okay. Tom yum soup with fish.
Do we have it easy spicy or not so spicy?
Medium?
Yeah.
Medium spicy?
Or light spicy?
Yeah, medium spicy.
Okay.
Yeah, you can handle it. Okay. And then we are going to try the half barbecue chicken and barbecue beef. And I guess white rice. Okay?
Does it come with rice already? No.
All right, sounds good. Family style.
Separate.
That's it. So, yeah, white rice. Thank you.
Okay. Love you, bye. Back dial.
Do not disturb our lunch.
Yeah, because what happened when my daughter called me, she was like, what happened was when I left her, I go, okay, she was like, well, I'm going to cook right now. I go, you're going to cook right as I'm leaving? Okay, well, because she's just starting to cook, where I let her cook on her own, right?
The daughter's cooking by herself.
Right.
Oh, dear.
Right. So that's when she called me, I'm going like, what happened?
All right, check this out.
look at
Whoa, what is this? Tom yum soup.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fish,
Oh, wow, everything at once. Wow, nice. That's the rice. Nice.
barbecue chicken,
Oh, yes. Barbecue chicken
barbecue beef,
and barbecue beef. Thank you very much. Everything came at once. That's awesome.
Can I get a water?
Oh, look at this chicken. I've seen the skin. Barbecue chicken. The skin looks nice and crispy, and it's got a nice dipping sauce. And then we have the crying tiger. This is the barbecue beef, and it's also got looks like a very spicy dipping sauce as well. This is, well, I think it's more of a sweet and sour. That's the spicy one. And the tom yum soup with fish. Looks like I see the white fish right there. That's the fish. Medium spicy level, and the rice. Steaming. Oh, that looks good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Fish
yeah.
bones and
Fish.
everything.
Oh, yeah. Fish bones and all, eh? Nice.
Medium spicy, that was the way to go. You're right.
Awesome.
Wow, look at these big chunks of fish in here. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see what's overdone. Yes.
Good stuff.
I'm looking forward to that frying tiger now.
I'm going to try the soup by itself first just to get a taste. Oh, wow, that's a lot of flavor.
How's that fish?
So good. Mushroom. Wow, that is really good. Oh, love it, love it. It's a good start. It's a great start. Let's try the main course here. I want the frying tiger. So we'll take some of the beef here, and dip it into this spicy sauce. Yeah, and let's give this a try. All right. Oh my god. That's really good. Try it.
All right.
It's really good.
Wow. That's really good.
Insanely good.
It's really good. I wish we had it when it was hotter. The one thing about having it at the last place, it was piping hot.
Yeah.
It was a little more room temperature.
Yeah, there's more room
good.
to cool down, but it's still great.
Can you imagine if we got it hot and piping?
Let's try a piece of chicken, shall we? Alright, so I'm gonna, let's just say, take a piece of chicken. Take a piece of chicken here. Gonna dip it in, try dipping in some of the sauce first. Right there, like that. Oh yeah. Now let's try that. That's good. The sauce is sweet. So, and I taste the char from the skin, the char on the skin. I really add to the flavor. Wow. Skin's really good. Oh, what is this?
That egg custard in a young coconut.
It's a cooked coconut.
Yeah.
Oh my god, let's take a look at this.
It's egg pudding in
Egg
coconut.
pudding in a coconut.
Cooked in a coconut.
Egg pudding cooked in a coconut. Oh my god, that's so. Let's see what's underneath here. Is this like tapioca on top? Because it smells like tapioca, so that's tapioca pudding.
Yeah.
And what's
Like a bread, more like a bread.
so? Yeah, this is a bread. So the whole thing's a bread. Okay, it's all like that. The whole thing like
The whole
that.
thing.
Oh, okay, all right. So,
I figured you had shrimp inside of a coconut.
but it's cooked inside a coconut. So
Right.
this is tapioca cooked in a coconut. Nice. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at the steam coming from that thing. Ho ho ho. Nice. And look, you can see the coconut skin's all cooked. As you can see, it's like it's lined in brown now. Oh, you're scooping the skin out too, huh? Include some of the skin. There you go. The coconut skin on that one. Yeah. Ha 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 ha. Good stuff. Ha. Yeah, it's good. I mean, I had this before. It's tapioca, which I had before. But cooking inside coconut, never had that before. So that's unique. So I guess after we finish this, what we'll then do is we will scrape the coconut meat and eat that as well. That was a good lunch. Very, very good lunch. I like this place. And lunch came to only $42 for two, which is, $21 per person, $28 with tips. Damn good deal. So yeah, this is again. Apologize if I get the name wrong. Nakorn. Thai Nakorn here in Garden Grove. On Google Maps is actually incorrect. Google Maps says it's a block and a half away, behind me.
Waze was correct.
Yeah, Waze is correct, but it is across the street from the Garden Grove Hospital. So if you come here, know that Google Maps is going to send you to the wrong place. Sorry, Google. And the funny thing is, Google owns Waze. Waze is correct, but Google Maps is not. What's up with that? What's up with that? Anyway, that's it for this little .com lunch episode. Hope you like it. Do check it out. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. It does help me a lot. And I'll see you guys on the next lunch.